Go on, take a shot.
Yeah, Charlie.
Go on, Charlie.
Go on, score. Go on, Charlie. Shoot.
Oh.
Corner.
It's a corner. Yeah.
Get in, lads, get in.
He went off Charlie's foot.
It went off your foot. You're the one that
Went off your foot. I knocked it into your foot.
Jesus, pal.
Stop it, geez, you know. It's very interesting to see what different guests, how differently they react to them. I mean, the greatest kind of chat we've had so far was with Luke when he came in, and we were just kind of sitting down in the field, and it was great kind of insight to how they were dealing with emotions.
As well as captain, have you ever got really, really annoyed at someone and got into a big argument with them?
Yeah, that's happened, yeah, with opposition players, with my own players, but it's never personal, you know, it's just usually comes from a place of both of you wanting to win and maybe having a disagreement about how to get there, but it's part of sport, it'll happen.
If there's one man who's been like bugging me all game, I've been like shouldering me, fouling me, no one's seen it, I won't shake his hand.
Okay.
I'm not proud of it, it's just I get so angry in the moment.
One thing I will say, even though, you know, you get upset or whatever, always shake hands after the game. It's just a respect thing from me as well. It just shows good sportsmanship. Definitely didn't have that kind of knowledge at 13, but yeah, it was a different time for me. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I was just football obsessed. I would have always dreamed of playing for Man United. I'm a Man United fan. You know, as I got older, I learned that it's very, very difficult to get to that level, and when I do, you know, retire, I'll look back and while I didn't maybe get to the heights I wanted to, I'll be happy with what I've done.
Obviously, Luke is a great football player, but maybe he didn't get to his dreams as much as he wanted to. Obviously, he got really big achievements playing for Shelbourne, but maybe his childhood dreams, and he kind of talked about his dreams and reality and how he kind of came to terms with it, and I thought that was really, really interesting. Yeah, everyone was really open in that conversation, and yeah, it was really interesting to have everyone's view and everything, so that was good.
Hey, Jordan, I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
What do you do when you get angry?
I was actually a very angry kid at your ages, and I just put a wall up, and so yeah, I was a very emotional kind of teenager, emotional kid with a lot of anger issues, which you mightn't see now. I calmed down a lot. How I deal with problems now?
Much different.
Much different. The way I do it is just I step back from the situation and just kind of let things calm down.
I don't really get angry about many things. I mean, I just kind of let it roll off. It's not worth the time.
Have you ever had an outburst though, like?
Not really. I just go up and sleep.
You go up and sleep it off?
Yeah.
So like I was racing in Spain and I was winning the whole thing, and I was like 20 meters ahead of second place because I got so far ahead I caught up with the K2s and one of them knocked me in. So then my boat filled with water, and then I was trying to empty it, and when I was getting back in, the other boat was coming by. And then on the podium, I tried to smile, it didn't work out the best, and in every picture I'm just like, even when everyone was mouthing at me to smile.
And you just couldn't help hide what you were really feeling, which isn't a bad thing, I don't think. You know, you were expressing how you felt inside, and you weren't faking it. Where'd you get?
What?
Where'd you get, second or third?
Second.
Yeah.
That's still good, though.
That's very good.
That's still good. I probably would have came last. I'd be the person like, how does this work?
Like I get annoyed quite a bit, so.
Just
but
in
like
sports,
first time
or
I've
just
got, in general.
In general, yeah. What kind of things annoy you, like just everyday life, or?
Getting given out to, because like I go, oh yeah, do you want me to do anything, ma'am? And then like, and then my mum says no.
Okay.
But then it's like, but then it turns out I'm meant to have initiative and like go and do the stuff myself.
I hate that.
Be a man. Be a man. You're not alive, boys, so you start kicking.